How to pay Natwest credit card. To pay your Natwest credit card, you have several options. The first one is direct debit. You can set up a direct debit for a fixed amount, the minimum payment, or the full balance. This ensures you don't miss a payment. Log into your Natwest online banking or mobile app, navigate to your credit card, and look for the option to set up direct debit. Follow the on-screen instructions. The second option can be bank transfer. Use online banking. Log into your Natwest online banking account. Go to Payments and Transfer. Select Make a Payment and choose your credit card. Enter the payment amount and confirm. You can also use the mobile banking. Open the Natwest mobile banking app and navigate to the payment or transfer section. Follow similar steps to make the payment. The third way is over the phone. Call Natwest customer service and ask to make a credit card payment. You may need your account details and debit card information. If you are registered for telephone banking, you can also make payments through this service. You can also visit Natwest branch, take your credit card and a form of ID. You can pay with cash, check or a debit card. Some branches may require you to fill out a slip with your credit card details and the payment amount. Thanks for watching.